Good day, my name is Mark Moyou. I'm a data science manager here at LucidWorks, and we offer machine learning powered search. So I just want to talk to you quickly about 3 things that you can do with machine learning to get better results from your search application. The first would be to collect signals and make sure that you're leveraging them. What is signals? Signals are simply any type of user interaction that happens on your search platform, be it in a digital commerce environment or digital workplace environment. And you can obfuscate things like PII to make sure that your users' data is protected, but you can still get them good results. In the end, you want to make sure that you have good relevancy, sort of base relevancy before you start implementing or collecting that type of data. It enables you to do things like query optimization. It reduces null search results in addition to getting personalized type recommendations. Next, I want you to keep your eye out for FAQ pairs, frequently asked questions. And now machine learning is in such a state where you can train state-of-the-art NLP models to do question and answering. Deep learning based approaches are kind of the new hotness, and they're able to handle a lot of question variation just because people ask the same question in different ways and you don't want to take a template based approach. So if you have that type of data internally, that's a great area of opportunity to add value to the business. And as you use signals over time, that question answering system will become better. And lastly, think about deploying custom machine learning models into production. It has become a lot easier. So now you can work on harder business problems to add more value for your business. Have a great day.